Hey guys, Dr. West here with the West Clinic Daily Checkout Tip. I've been asked how you come up with the things you're going to talk about, and almost always it usually comes from a patient interaction that day, but I'm starting to get requests to give daily tips. So if you have a topic that you'd like covered, let me know in the comment section of the video, or you can email me at drjdaily@westcliniconline.com. So here's something that came up today that was kind of funny, is someone asked me about a kind of taboo subject, and that's about sex drive. And here's kind of the funny part of how it worked. I was getting ready to leave the room, and I put my hand on the door, and the patient said, "Hey, Dr. West, I've got a question for you." And I turned around and I said, "What is it?" And he said, "I have this friend that has some concerns with not having the male capacity or stamina that he used to have, and is there anything you can do about that? Is there a natural Viagra or a natural sex drive enhancer?" And I said to the patient, "Hey, well, maybe you should have your friend come in and talk." And he says, No, don't do that. You just tell me what it is, and I'll get it from you, and I'll just give it to him. He really hates doctors." So it's a kind of funny story. It's embellished just a little bit, but this happens all the time. People ask what we can do for sex drive, both for males and for females. What are our natural options? And so let's talk about that. So tip one, we're going to talk about male sex drive and erectile dysfunction. And in the next video, we're going to talk about female libido. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is mainly the biochemistry and hormone precursor components of sex drive. And what I mean by that, if there is a severe psychological trauma or post-traumatic stress disorder or something along those lines, this may not work for that, but this works a lot of time for sex drive. And when we talk about that, there's some studies that show that people that have healthy, fulfilling sex drive live longer, healthier, and are happy than people don't. So there's two components about that. One is the desire. Now the desire can be affected by stress, by finances, by things happening in your life. But one of the best things that you can do for that before you go to the prescription route, and again, I'm not anti-medicine on it, I just like to try and to do things natural first. And I've seen some unwanted side effects from immediately jumping to either a testosterone cream or testosterone injections. So my favorite recommendation for the desire component of sexual dysfunction is to get a natural source of vitamin E. I see really, really good results from this. It's really good for hormone imbalances, for viral infections, for cardiovascular needs, for post-operative healing, and it's a sex hormone precursor. So you want to be on about 200 to 500 milligrams a day, and some natural sources of vitamin E. Probably raw sunflower seeds are the best component, but it's in almonds, it's in spinach, it's in Swiss chard. So that's what foods you can eat for that, but I like to have people on about 200 to 500 milligrams natural vitamin E. Now, from a glandular insufficiency standpoint, there's some really nice natural products that support glandular testicular tissue, the pituitary gland, adrenals, and thyroid support. Now, the other component of male sexual dysfunction is erectile dysfunction. And my dad always told me that this is the same thing as nutritional castration. Your blood just isn't healthy enough to do what it's supposed to. And this is a trick that we usually are prohibited or told not to give money back guarantees. But for erectile dysfunction, there is a fantastic product for that called fat-soluble chlorophyll. Now, it's in a proprietary blend that they make, and it's important that it's not just chlorophyll that you put in the fridge, it's actually fat-soluble chlorophyll. And what it does, it has all of your fat-soluble vitamins in it, vitamins A, vitamins D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It's fantastic for any blood disorders. It's a really good component for anemia, but a loss of blood, low red blood cells, pre- and post-operative tissue needs. It helps ulcers, colitis. It's fantastic for building the blood. Now, for advanced conditions, there's a really neat German therapy called neural therapy that's really effective in resetting the nervous system that controls the male body part. It's kind of the same idea that if you call up tech support when you have a broke computer and tech support says, turn everything off, turn it back on, and it'll help to reboot the system. What we do with that is we jokingly tease patients, we can't really kill you and bring you back to life. That's not an option that we leave. But there is an advanced acupuncture and nervous system component where you take a little tiny a little tiny syringe and a B vitamin and you inject some acupuncture control points that are associated with the male body part. So that's what we're talking about today for the sex drive component, vitamin E and some natural foods. For erectile dysfunction components, some fat-soluble natural chlorophyll. In our next video, we're going to talk about women's libido and women's sex drive. This is Dr. J. Check us out on Daily Dose of Vitamin H and Dr. J Daily. We'll see you next video.